For the past 40 plus years, I've been working as a professional speaker and an author, helping people grow.
Jim Cathcart is one of the best known and most award-winning motivational speakers in the business.
This book, it's a masterpiece.
How many of you are an expert on something? How do you grow a career as an expert and sustain it over time? Be a magnet for what you want. If you want to produce great acorns, think like an oak, not like an acorn. Think like the person you intend to become. You need to become more valuable to the people you're serving, more disciplined in the way you do it, and more honorable in the way that you do it. See, the biggest part of running a business is running you. Because if you can't get you to do what needs to be done when you don't feel like doing it, you're not ready for success yet. When you say, I'm going to be a professional, all the rules change for you. When you say, I'm going pro, it's no longer okay to be casual about how you do the things. You need to be intentional about how you do things. The percentage of your life that's intentional is usually equal to the percentage of your life that's going really well. I was 52 pounds heavier than I am now, smoking 2 packs a day. Then one day in the next room there was a radio playing, and it had a little 5-minute show from Earl Nightingale. He said, if you will spend 1 hour extra every day studying your chosen field, in 5 years or less, you'll be a national expert. I've built a career that has now gone on for a great deal of time and gone through every kind of stage and phase that you can imagine. All the things that speakers put on their to-do list for a career, done that. Making a profession out of your expertise requires skills that transcend the category. It's not who you know that counts, it's not who knows you that counts, it's not who they know that counts, it's who's glad they know you. Be that kind of person and people will want to come to you to learn. They will pay for the privilege. So come with me and let's discover how much more successful you could be.